Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel.
Today we are going to be checking out and unboxing Ninja's latest redesigned and reimagined FrostVault cooler, which now comes with wheels as well as some extra accessories.
So without any further ado, let's get into it. So this time we've gone for the smaller size FrostVault and we've got some accessories to go with it, but we'll check them out once we get this bad boy out of the box. And now I'm going to try and flip it the right side up. So we've got this little attached booklet thing that tells you a little bit about the actual cool box. And I'm going to take off this cling film kind of thing. Okay, now I quite like it. I prefer this one to the old and big version. Oh, it's got a handle. Very nice. Oh, feels like a suitcase. And the wheels, they glide. Ah, so much easier to maneuver compared to the other one. And it still has handles on the side, but this time they're not very obvious, they're not protruding, so saves a bit of space there for getting rid of the excess water at the end if you use ice. It's got a little plug at the back here with a nice rubber gasket to make sure there's nothing leaking out of it. And at the front, just like the previous generation, we still have the actual FrostVault. Slide this up and then pull it out. That is a decent size. And for the main compartment, oh, let's have a quick look and see how big it is. That is a very decent size for a barbecue or a picnic, anything like that. I'm quite impressed, I quite like this one. So this one is a 28-litre cooler and it fits up to 48 cans. Quite impressive. And it's also supposed to keep ice for days, which I'm pretty sure it will be able to do because the previous one does it quite successfully. Time for the accessories. First up, let's start with a little thing. We've got here a pack of 2 padlocks for the FrostVault. We are about to find out how they actually go on to the cool box. They feel quite heavy. Got the keys. Even the keys have got the Ninja branding on them. And the actual padlock. Okay, this looks very sturdy. It feels very heavy. Let's see where it actually goes. And they are supposed to go on here, like so. So you can have one on this side and one on the other side, have both of them on, or probably just one will be fine. I'm gonna take that off because we're gonna need to try some of the other accessories in a minute. Okay, next up, what do we have? So they now have ice packs. This is a set of 2 small ones. They are designed to fit the Ninja FrostVault. They are reusable, mess-free, and the fact that they take up a lot less space instead of using ice, and they will give you a lot more room to actually put the stuff that you want in there. Let's see what they look like inside the FrostVault, just to give you an idea of how big they look inside the FrostVault. So there's one. I believe we've got a second pack of those. Yep, so the second pack of the exact same ones. Next up, what do we have? Okay, this one. This is a 2-in-1, a divider and also a chopping board. Let's have a look how it actually fits in there. So I don't know if you can tell, the cool box has got like a couple of notches on the inside. So this will slide right in and give you 2 compartments so that you can store things a little bit more neatly in there if you need to. And last but not least, what do we have here? Oh, okay. Now this is a bad boy version of the previous cool packs. This is huge. I like the fact that it's got a handle on it. it makes it really easy to grab it. And again, we've got the Ninja branding on there as well. Let's see how that one fits inside. Could it go upright? No, so it doesn't go in there upright because there isn't enough space for the lid to shut. Yeah, if you use it on its side, you would be able to get it in there, but not upright. Whereas if you have the divider out, you can have it laying flat on there. Not bad.
So that was us unboxing Ninja's newest FrostVault cooler. Let us know in the comments what you think of it. Will you be picking one up or will you be letting this one slide?
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, and if you'd like to see another video, here's one we think you might enjoy.
Thanks for tagging along and we'll see you again on the next one.